Hey everybody, welcome to another unboxing. I know it's been a while and I apologize, life hits you. But yeah, I am starting to go through my backlog. I haven't bought many waifu cards in quite a while. Not really sure. Oh, did I open this? Huh. Did I open this already on a different video? If I haven't, here's my promo card that I got. Can't remember if this was from Waifu Wed or not. Not really sure what happened to them. Hopefully they're successful. It was cool to have a sponsor for a while, and I appreciated it immensely. But yeah, let's dive into this box. I can't remember if I've opened this already. Let me actually... That's pretty good. I can't remember if I opened this box already on camera. I don't know what is going on with my focus. It's probably dazzling. But yeah, I don't know what box this is. But it is Crazy Party Series number 2. Let's dive in. It's probably one of those old boxes that you got, you know what, 30 cards in it. It's got the nice sliding drawer, though. Oh my god. Okay. Looks like you do get a hit pack. Feels like a normal card, though. But yeah, let's take a look. Is this Goddess Carnival? I'm sure this is a really cool pack. Probably not for sale anymore. I actually haven't looked on AliExpress very much for cards. Kind of since the tariffs, I've stopped sort of buying from there. Looks like you get 3 cards in it. Okay, these are pretty good. We've got a Elizabeth from BioShock Infinite. Not bad. These look like Sakimichan art. Very nice. Yeah, these are good. Why'd I only buy 1 box? Very cool. Oh yeah, how many packs are in here? There was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So yeah, usual 10 packs, 30 cards. It's pretty standard. At least it was. I don't know, have they improved? Is it worse now? Someone in the comments let me know. I always love the gold foiling. Always really cool. Yeah, definitely Sakimichan art. Actually getting an art book from her soon. Goddess Carnival. AR card. Really nice. I love the extra foiling. It's always a plus. Whoa. Very cool. Yeah, art's really nice. It's like a mixture of Sakimichan and AI art, probably. Hope everyone's had a good few months. Like I said, I haven't done this in a while. Figure it was about time to go through more of my backlog. What better way to start things off again with this really nice box of cards. And of course we have a puzzle piece card. Should be coming out with some more. I got some more Nivel Arena for Nikkei. So look forward to that. And we got a dupe already. That's a bummer. All right, already on to the second half of the box. These go quick because there's not a lot of cards in here. And I don't remember opening this box, so. And another dupe. But we got the crazy glowy eyes, which are always fun. We got a May from Overwatch, not bad. Hopefully I get a Samus. Very cool. And another puzzle piece. Looks like frilly bits. Not sure really what's going on there. Not a fan of puzzle piece cards, as we all know. I'm gonna have to dig into my Wayback Machine because I don't know if I have art, like promo art, to use for my images, dupes. And we got a cool UR card. Very nice. All right, penultimate pack before we get to those, that chase hit pack. Man, another dupe. More dupes. And a puzzle piece card, which actually matches. So that's cool. I wonder if it's supposed to be like that. You got the crazy glowy eyes. That's not bad. All right, last pack. Dupes. So many dupes. And we got an LSP. This must be the hit card. Not bad. I like the multicolored foiling is always a plus. And we've got the hit pack, which feels pretty thin. Yeah, it's just one little card. And it is a HP card. It's a Genshin character. I mean, that's cool, but I wish it was a little more special. Lots of foiling. What's my favorite? I'd say between these two, I like this, the simplicity of it, and just the shading is really nice. So I'm gonna go with this one. So yeah, let me know what your favorite was. Let me know what you think of this box. Like I said, not sure if it's still being sold. I probably bought this a year ago plus. Trying to get back in the swing of things a little bit with my channel. I'm not going to be updating quite as much. I won't be weekly, but I will be updating my channel more than I have been in the past few months. And I appreciate everyone who stuck with me for the last, gosh, has it been 5 years? Yeah, thanks again, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody.